Hello my beautiful, welcome to annaktv. Let's get ready. Yeah, I'm going to do wig installation. They're going to install my wig today. Today is my birthday. Yeah, wish me a happy birthday. Yes, September 29, it's my birthday. It's not just me, it's with my daughter, and I'm not going to post my daughter here. Yes, but yes, we share the same birthday month. Yeah, welcome. And I already typed all the process, what she was doing. She did an amazing job. Yeah, just check the process, the way it's going, the way she puts the glue, she applied the foundation, she tied the rubber thing, whatever, I don't know how you call it. Yes, she tied to make the wig or to hold so the wig can hold. Yeah, after that she used the hot comb to take all the baby hair, so you don't have to disturb her the time she will start cutting or doing whatever. Yeah, so you use a hot comb so to take out all the fly, so all the hair can go in the back, so you can help her to do all the process. Yeah, as you can see the way it's going very smooth. Yeah, this is my finished look. Yeah, please like, share, comment and subscribe to all my